Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see basic important 30 MCQs on reading process and the types of reading. So let's get started. First, reading is the dash process. A. Encoding. B. Listening. C. Decoding. D. Talking. Here the C option is correct, that is decoding. Decoding is the process of translating print into speech. Likewise, we do in reading. Second, good reading depends upon a lot of practice in A. Listening and writing. B. Speaking and reading. C. Listening and speaking. D. Reading and writing. Here the option C is correct, that is listening and speaking. Third, which of the reading strategy would you use to decide which books you want to check out from the library? A. Skimming. B. Scanning. C. Extensive. D. Intensive. Here option A is correct, because when we want to check out some books, we only read important info but not everything. That's how we can check quickly. So here option A is correct. In skimming, we only go through the main or a general idea of text. 4. Research shows that reading helps to A. Reduce stress. B. Building vocabulary. C. Induces sleep. D. All the above. Here option D is correct, all the above. 5th, a reader who engages what they are reading with an open and questioning mind is A. Love reading. B. Active reader. C. Passive reader. D. Stoic reader. Here option B is correct, that is active reader. In that type of only the reader engage with text. 6th, recalling what one has read helps in A. Retelling. B. Revising. C. Memorizing. D. Comprehension. The option D is correct, that is comprehension. In revising, we see again. In memorizing, it is to learn something so that you will remember it exactly, and in retelling, it is the new version. So comprehension is the correct option. 7. Reading comprehension means understanding a dash text. A. Oral. B. Written. C. Visual. D. Audio. Option B is correct, that is written. To read an article in your textbook for the next exam, you need to A. Skimming. B. Scanning. C. Extensive. D. Intensive. Here A is correct, that is skimming. 9th, when we read shorter text like research report with lots of concentration, this is called dash reading. A. Intensive. B. Extensive. C. Detailed. D. Short. Here the A answer is correct, that is intensive. In intensive reading, we read the short text carefully and deeply so as to gain maximum understanding. 10th, most of our reading in our day-to-day life is done A. Extensively. B. Loudly. C. Intensively. D. Silently. Here option D is correct, that is silently, because it improves one's understanding and helps them to concentrate on what they are reading. 11. When you see the timetable and tell the time of break is dash type of reading. A. Skimming. B. Scanning. C. Intensive. D. Extensive. Your option B is correct, that is intensive. 13. Dash technique that involves changing the text matter so that it's similar to the main source. A. Note taking. B. Paraphrasing. C. Summarizing. D. Precise writing. Here option B is correct, that is paraphrasing. It is like formulating someone else's idea in our own words. 14. Conversation between the character is called dash. A. Lines. B. Communication. C. Dialogue. D. None. Here the option C is correct, that is dialogue. In communication, or it simply means transmission or simply the act of transferring information. And in dialogue, it is conversation between the two characters. That's why C correct. C is correct. 15. Reading is a text quickly to get general or main idea of meaning is A. Skimming. B. Visualizing. C. Fluency. D. Incentive. Option A is correct, that is skimming, and it is the basic definition. 16. Dash is called passive skill in reading. A. Listening and reading. B. Listening and speaking. C. Reading and writing. D. Speaking and reading. Here option A is correct, that is listening and reading. 17. Dash is considered as receptive skill in LSRW. Here LSRW means listening, speaking, reading and writing. Options are A. Listening and speaking. B. Speaking and writing. C. Reading and writing. D. Listening and reading. Here option D is correct, that is listening and reading. Following are the activities if you are reading. A. Recognition. B. Decoding. C. Association. D. All the above. Here the correct option is D. All the above. If we are reading, we do all the three activities. 19. Most of the people like to read A. Horror stories. B. Social stories. C. Love stories. D. Humorous and adventurous stories. Here option D is correct. 20. If you want to find the football result in a paper, do you A. Skimming. B. Scan. C. Read carefully. D. Visualize. Here B is correct, that is scan. In scan, we are rapidly read in order to find specific information. 21. We can increase our vocabulary by dash the new words. A. Thinking. B. Repeating. C. Listening. D. Identifying. Here the option B is correct, that is repeating. 22. For interpreting charts, primarily we need to have good dash skill. A. Reading. B. Speaking. C. Listening. D. Reading. Here option A is correct, that is reading. 23. Dash help a lot in following instruction at station, airports and the bus terminals. A. Reading. B. Speaking. C. Listening. D. Reading. Here the option C is correct, that is listening. Active skills are A. Reading. B. Reading and speaking. C. Listening and speaking. D. Speaking and writing. Option D is correct, that is speaking and writing. 25th. The ability to recall what you have read after a lapse of time is called A. Retention. B. Reading efficiency. C. Reading speed. D. None of them. Here option is correct. Option is correct. 26. Body of words used in a particular language is called A. Recreation. B. Comprehension. C. Imitation. D. Vocabulary. Option D is correct, that is vocabulary. 27. Poor reading comprehension skill leads to options are A. Reasoning. B. Association. C. Poor grades and D. Encoding. Here the option C is correct, that is poor grades. 28. Read the following line to answer the given question. In the 16th century, an age of great marine and terrestrial exploration, Ferdinand Magellan led the first expedition to sail around the world. As a young Portuguese noble, he served the King of Portugal, but he became involved in the quagmire of political intrigue at the court and lost the king's favor. The question is, Magellan lost the favor of the King of Portugal when he became involved in political A. Entanglement. B. Decision. C. Negotiation. D. Problems. E. None of the above. Here the options A is correct, that is entanglement. 29. According to the Greek myth, the strife between the Trojans and the Greeks started at wedding of the Peleus, king of Thessaly and the Thetis, a sea name. All the god and the goddess has been invited to the wedding celebration in Troy except Ares, goddesses of discord. She had been omitted from the guest list because her presence always embroiled mortal and immortal alike in conflict. The question is, Ares was known for dash both mortal and immortal. A. Scheming against. B. Involving in conflict. C. Feeling hostile towards. D. Ignoring. Here the option A is correct, that is scheming against. It also means to form, contrive a secret or devise plan. 30. Recent research on global warming aim to give a global overview of Earth's temperature. The period that began after the last major ice age almost 11,300 years before is known as Holocene. It is known as balmy period of the Earth's atmosphere. With this passage of time, Earth's temperature began to rise. The question is, the Earth's temperature has increased quickly since A. Northern Hemisphere, B. the Holocene, C. Industrial Revolution, D. 1500 years ago. Option B is correct, that is Holocene. If you like the video, please hit thumbs up and do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.